Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Ocho Rios is now the party capital of Jamaica. Ocho Rios has officially earned the title as the party capital of Jamaica, as Mayor Michael Belnavis proudly declared it after an action-packed Easter weekend. Speaking with E-Prime, Mayor Belnavis expressed his satisfaction with the turnout.
The diaspora came to Jamaica in grand style. You couldn't find a room. And all the Airbnbs were booked out. The hotels were full. Everybody was made a great economy.
He added that the weekend had something for everyone.
Everybody had their piece of enjoyment and revelry and reverence. So it was quite a great weekend.
Easter weekend in Jamaica has been a major boost for the tourism sector and continues to drive success. With strong momentum, 2025 is set to be another successful year for Jamaica's tourism. Mystic Marley returns with a sweet new single, Sugar. The soulful artist released her brand new single, Sugar, this past Friday, marking her first solo release since 2022. Known for her smooth vocals and a spiritual edge, Mystic Marley, granddaughter of the legendary Bob Marley, delivers a track that's equal parts groove and grace. In an interview with Fame 95 FM, revealed that she is working on a new EP set to drop later this year.
So once we started Sugar, and I was doing a lot of EPing as well with the band, once we were in that vibe though, I'm like, there's something special about this song. I just really love the way this feels. It's very inspired by, you know, the different locations of where I live and my life, which is between here and the States. Mm-hmm. So just, you know, capturing all of those influences in one project has been the goal.
The long-awaited return signals a fresh chapter for Marley, who's hinted that more music is on the horizon. Rita Marley and Adam Stewart to be honored at Jamaica Independence Gala in New York. According to the Gleaner, reggae legend Rita Marley and Adam Stewart, executive chairman for Sandals Resorts, are among 8 individuals set to be honored at this year's Jamaica Independence Gala, taking place on August 23 at the New York Marriott Marquis. Rita Marley will receive the Lifetime Achievement Award for her outstanding contributions to Jamaican music and culture. Stewart will be recognized for his leadership in business and his role in advancing tourism and economic development. The event, hosted by the Jamaican Consulate in New York in partnership with Jamaica, promises to support charitable causes in Jamaica, including scholarships, the Jamaica Cancer Society, and the Rita Marley Girls Center. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.